I bought these Forever Glides to replace the feet on this double chair bench, and I've already done the feet over there on those two chairs. It's working like a charm, so let me show you what it looks like before. These chairs are 50, 60 years old. We got them in an estate sale. The feet have been deteriorated for probably the last 20 years. You can see the plastic ring on that one. Some of them have it, some of them don't. There's another plastic ring. What you want to do on each one is, if there is any kind of plastic left, just pop that out with a screwdriver and then rough it up. You're just knocking off rust, and you're knocking off old paint, dirt, and that sort of thing. Then you take some acetone, clean that up. Okay, we are done. Let me show you. All 8 legs went on. They slide better. We're used to, it was metal on concrete. Let me just show you this. Most of them still had the full ring. That's nice, but some of them were so deteriorated, like this one. And it's okay, as long as you have a little bit of the ring, I think it's gonna be fine because those edges will still hold it on. One of them on the chairs across the pool had nothing left. It was just flat on the top, and the adhesive is on there. I kind of think it's gonna stay too. One thing I would add is that little ring, the little circle ring in the middle of it that I popped out. That's because there's like a little welding spot there. If it has a little extra weld right there, you pull that out so you get a better adhesive. Yours might be flat. If it's flat, then leave that on there. Just give you a little bit more adhesive. So there you go. Pretty cool little product. Our 60-year-old chairs have some new life.